Sacrifice the goat, goat, sacrifice the goat.
Goats are meant to be sacrificed.
Goat, goat.
Emergency briefing, meeting.
I'm voting you out. Hi guys, today we're playing Among Us. So yeah, basically, let's start playing. I get the imposter, and if I get crewmate, I'll just meme, I guess. That would be fun. Gosh, this is starting out. Yes, good. Guys, you can't say that, dude. Okay, so crewmate, yay, I guess. I have an idea. Let's just say I saw someone went. Yeah, Kakaguri. I think you spelled that wrong. Whatever. That's why I'm gonna follow you. Imagine if he's actually. Whatever. I'm just gonna follow Red, aka. And let's see. I'll accuse him of anything, and if I'm correct, I'll just freaking die. We can't choose. Okay, pink is clear. Person on cameras. Let's find red again and accuse red. Because why the fuck not? It seems fun. Okay, there's red. Red just left. One's there. Pink and red. Pink and red. Pink and red. Let's go in again. Pink and. Wait, that's. Oh my fucking god! I'm pretty sure I saw red went. No, like, imagine if they actually vote red us. I'm pretty sure it's actually. Oh my god. I never vented. Yeah, I'm 98% sure. Oh my god, imagine if it's actually red. Imagine. Just imagine. Yeah, it's a free shot. I'm 98% sure. So I never saw green. I saw you like 5 million times, dude. Or girl, I don't know. Yeah, I saw you like 9 times, dude. So it's really not good to lie your way out of this. It was a poster. I was correct. Hi, this is Future Cat just doing a voiceover of this, and I still can't believe I was correct, although it was pretty obvious it was red because she entered with pink, and now pink was dead like 5 seconds later when I backed again. So if they weren't trying to frame red, I would have still been correct. I'm just thinking how confused Red probably was that I saw her vent, even though they didn't vent, but they might have been. They were the imposter, but they didn't vent. So yeah, I already kinda knew who it. Well, at this point, I wasn't really sure who it was, white or yellow. I actually trusted yellow and thought it was white or purple, but later on I'd come to see who it actually was. The two people I didn't expect were the imposters. So yeah, someone is dead. Yeah, and this was the point I realized it was yellow. Yeah. But I didn't want to shoot in case I was wrong. So we didn't, and that's basically what costed us to lose. Which is pretty unfortunate, I have to be honest. So yeah.